Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to open Incognito browsing section in Google Chrome browser. So guys, to open your Chrome as private and you want to make your browsing secret and you want to make your browsing history secure, so just click on this three dots and here you will see this third option, new incognito window. So click on it. So here is the guys, you can see this browsing, private browsing, and Chrome won't save the flow and Chrome won't save the following information: your browsing history, cookies, and site data information entered in the forms. And also guys, you can make sure now you can browse privately and other people who use this device won't see your activity. However, downloads, so make sure here downloads, bookmarks, and reading list items will be saved. So other people, if you're using your PC or laptop, though, so they will be able to see downloads and bookmarks and reading list. So this is the way guys you can open Incognito in Chrome browser. Just click on this three dot and click here, and also you can open this one by pressing Ctrl Shift N. So thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like, and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos.